Hello. Right. Today we're ready to do a test lift. All the bolts are off, all 24 of them, not 22. A couple of them gave me a little bit of grief. One was trapped by the exhaust, so that had to come off. One had to be sliced off. The other ones were pretty good because they'd have been done before, about 25-30 years ago. Everything's hooked up. So now we're just going to give it a quick tweak with the winches, just get it about a quarter of an inch or so off the chassis, just make sure everything is free and hopefully the roof won't come down. So let's give it a go. A little bit stuck for space, but should be able to do a test lift and then go for the big lift next week when I've got a whole bunch of people to give us a hand. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Yeah, it's lifting. Yeah, we're free. About a length of an inch at the front. Oh, there she goes. Can't see anything catching up the front. Obviously it's free at the back. This is where all the looking good. Looking good. Yes. I'll let it down. Excellent. Look at that. So, join us next week for the real big lift. Catch you later.